On the beach in Pereybere today. Let's take a look around. All the shops and the restaurants. Whole little town which gives you shopping, dining, beach vibe. Beautiful beaches. All the divers are out already. Swimmers are out enjoying the ocean. And we're going to go take a look at a 3-bed apartment today. So 200 meters from the beach, we've got this stunning development, construction site still, which is of Coastal View 2. Busy construction site. And we're going to go take a closer look at the 3-bedroom apartments. These apartments will be delivering in July 2022. So today I've chosen to show you an apartment which is on the first floor. You can see they've just got a first coat of paint on and the tiling has started. Still a lot of work to go, but yeah. So from the front door where we come in, nice big patio. Lounge and dining area, and that's the kitchen. Through to the back we've got the messy kitchen and wet kitchen. So let's go take a look. So plumbing for your washing machine, scullery area, drying area. From your lounge area we go through to the 3 bedrooms which are down the passage. To the right we've got main bedroom. Nice light and bright. Ensuite bathroom. Shower basin and toilets going in there. And then we've got another 2 bedrooms. So they'll have sliding doors here leading to the outside area and balcony. Windows, nice green area on the other side, and a shared bathroom. Spacious apartment, 148 square meters. Lots of living space. To the main bedroom, the thing that stands out for me is in the front here we'll have glass sliding doors which will lead out to a Juliette balcony. Sorry about the construction site. It just means you can open it up. You've got a bit of a balcony to walk out onto and nice ventilation. So in the middle